Now it's time for more. Learning colours with Paw Patrol and Gumballs. Yay! We're going to be racing the Paw Patrol cars down this spiral racetrack and we'll see who wins. We're going to be racing some of these Gumballs down the track and see which Paw Patrol pup wins. And whoever wins gets these yummy Paw Patrol marshmallow pops. Yummy.
Let's get started. The first Paw Patrol racers are Rocky and Rubble. Who do you think is going to win? Can you guess? Let's see. Let's put Rubble. Ah! Rubble. And Rocky. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. I think that was Rubble. Yay! The next Paw Patrol racers are Sky and Marshall. Let's see who wins. Let's put Sky and Marshall. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Marshall wins! Now it's Chase and Ryder's turn. Can you guys guess who wins? Let's find out. Ryder and Chase. Let's see who wins. 1, 2, 3, go! Ah! Ryder got stuck. So Chase wins. Yay! Now it's time to race some Gumballs. Now we have Rocky and Rubble. Do you know what colour Rocky's Gumballs are? That's right, they're green. And what colour are Rubble's Gumballs? Yes, that's correct. They're yellow. Let's put them on the racetrack. Ready, steady, go. Wow, I think the green ones. Let's put a lot more this time. Now we have Chase versus Ryder Gumballs. Can you guess the colours? What colour is Ryder's Gumballs? That's right, they're white. And what colour are Chase's Gumballs? Correct, they're blue. Let's see what happens. Are we ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Fun! Now let's put them all at the same time. The next Gumball racers are Sky and Marshall. Can you guess the colours? What colour are Sky's Gumballs? That's right, they're pink. And what colour are Marshall's Gumballs? Correct, they're red. Let's see who wins. Are we ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Now it's time for more Gumballs! Okay, let's race some other cars. Who do you think is going to win between Lightning McQueen and Sarge? Let's find out. 1, 2, 3, go! I think Lightning McQueen won! Next we have Spider-Man versus Captain America. I wonder who's going to win. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, go! I think Captain America won! What about trains? Let's see who's going to win between Gordon and Thomas. Ready, steady, go! I think it was Gordon!
These marshmallow pops are so delicious. Yeehaw! This Chase marshmallow is so yummy.
Thanks for watching.